rejoice with them and have photo opportunity with one whose gray matter is heavier than ours. May I call in first, according from the 10 up, no? From top 10 up. This is according to, not according to the logical sequence of your math, but according to the rank down up to the up. Top 10 goes to Jessamay Bacolod Ehes of CIT University. The name, the parents, and the president of the school, if ever, the president of the school is here, or the president of the university is here. May I request that you would be joined in by the very supportive and proud school administrators. Mariel Eliza Mascareñas, Cebu Normal University. The parents, the proud parents, please fall in line also so that we can facilitate the moving in of the numerous top-notchers that we have. Leantes Papas, Cebu Doctors University. May I request Dr. Philip Anthony Larazabal join us, sir, please. Cebu Normal University was joined in by Dr. Lawrence Garcia a few minutes ago. Next, top 9. Rada Juan Alvarado, CIT University. If there are school administrators around, please join in as the Aurora Award. Next, Miss Rian Angel Cabiso, CIT University. Althea Zen Chan of Cebu Doctors University. Aisha May Sanchez of Cebu Doctors University. Cherish Villacorta, Cebu Technological University in consortium with Cebu City Medical Center. Ano? A big fan base, no? From CCMC. Mr. Adrian Villacruzes of CIT University.
Friend eh, sila sa society.
Ha?
Friend sila sa society.
Nasa likod na siya.
Isa nagkakuan mo.
Huwag na baka nagkakapon. Huwag na adir.
We are done with TAP 9. We go to TAP 8. Miss Alina Isabel Beto of Cebu Doctors University. Oh, a very round, very thunderous yell from Cebu Doctors.
Excuse pa.
Mr. Byron Chu, Cebu Normal University. To be joined in by Dr. Lawrence Garcia, the youngest and the newest president of CN.
Byron Cho. Kuhaan na sa CCMC ay ilan ang na-maintain ang kuhaan 100% may hag.
Mary Antoinette Linampo, Cebu Doctors University.
Cebu Doctors mo daghan.
Ano ba yan?
Cebu Doctors mo Doctors. Top 8 itong Cebu Doctors na. Puro top 8.
Miss Bianca Leon Esterioso, Cebu Doctors University. Mr. Marshall Isaac Lapides Manique, Visayas State University.
Science.
Loudest applause for Mr. Manique, please.
Visayas State University. Asa mo na lugar sa Visayas State University? Saan to mo to?
Keep those claps coming for Mr. Manique. Miss Gwyneth Kikong of Cebu Doctors University.
Daghan ni mga babae sa top 8 sa Cebu Doc.
Alicia May Tome, CIT University.
Science. CIT.
Miss Nina Renette Camela Trazo, of Cebu Doctors University.
Southeastern. Uruguay.
We are done with top 8 and the lone top notcher for top 6, Miss Helena Ruth Laporga, Cebu Normal University.
Top 6 na. Walay top 7 rin. Nanas lang yung motik. Top 6. Normal.
We are moving up and soaring high with top 5, Miss Cristina Isabella de Guia, Cebu Normal
Normal
University.
yan pala. Top 6, top 5. Pahingo naman na si Wanda.
Miss Janina Trish Rivera, Cebu Doctors University.
Parin mong panin.
And, ladies and gentlemen, it's good to be a top notcher because you'll be brushing elbow to elbow with PRC Regional Director and and as what I have said, there are no hypotheses formulated, Dr. Giselle, whether male and female has difference in terms of intelligence and emotional quotient. But for top 4, it's undeniable that it's occupied by the male top notcher. Ladies and gentlemen, for top 4 from Misamis University, Paul Andre Valle Agabao.
Ano na sila dito?
would wish that you would face them so that they can see how looks and brains can complement together. Starstruck, right? Congratulations to all board top notchers. Can we give them a collective clap, please?
Puro tama.
We will now go to the top performing schools. And they are all very excited. We will be acknowledging them according to their categories in terms of number of examinees. By the time we'll call the school, we are so privileged this morning that their presidents and chairmen are joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, with 50 to 99 examinees with at least 85% passing percentage, and I know they move up to 100%, may I call in Cebu Normal University. What a blessing with the new president coming in, an acknowledgement of the past president for such a wonderful and impressive performance. Dr. Lawrence Garcia with Dean Marjorie Santa Teresa.
CCMC. 100%.
Okay. A picture of young president.
Performing university.
Another top performing school is Cebu Technological University in consortium with Cebu City Medical Center College of Nursing. May I request Dean Audrey Rose Garganera. The Honorable Mayor could have been here, but he is with the Asian Summit Group.
100%.
Another top performing school is Asian College of Technology International Education Foundation. We are so happy to be joined in by a very young president, President B.J. Rodrigo Abellanosa.
Unlock nila people. 97%.
Our loudest applause with, of course, Dr. Joseph Stephen Escaliar as the dean. I think your loudest clap goes to the young president. Oh. We now move on with 100 or more examinees, and I think we are all witnesses how this particular institution has grown in terms of board top notchers and performance. How I wish I could interview the president and the chairman of Cebu Doctors of University in moving into and congratulating him and moving into tips on how to excel. Ladies and gentlemen, with 100% Cebu Doctors University. And we are so blessed to be joined in by no other than the chairman and the president of Cebu Doctors University, Dr. Philip Anthony Larazaba. Keep those claps coming to Dr. Larazaba, our forever young dynamic president, and Dr. Romel Marioles for such a great performance. Thank you very much to all our nursing leaders and to all our school administrators for giving us time and for gracing this wonderful event. May I call in to close this frame on the top is still up. So we might call in, we will call in to close today's session is none other than the very dynamic, beautiful, and competent Dean of USPF, Dean Merlin Owano.
Great morning to all present here today, to our distinguished guests, colleagues in the nursing profession, and most importantly, our new nurses who have just taken their oath of professionals. As we come to conclude this ceremony, allow me to congratulate all our newly licensed nurses, their parents, sponsors, benefactors, and mentors. Your collective efforts, all your sacrifices have paid off. New nurses, as you stand on the threshold of this noble profession, remember that your license is not just a badge of competence, but a lifelong commitment to service, compassion, and excellence. As you exit in this hall, carry with you the weight of the oath you have taken today. You are now the heart of the healthcare system, the hands that will heal, the voices that will comfort, and the minds that will safeguard the well-being of our communities. May you always practice with integrity and never lose the empathy that led you to this calling. Go forth with pride, serve with passion, and continue to uphold the highest standards of the nursing profession. Once again, congratulations and God bless as you begin your professional journey. But before I will end my message, let us not forget to greet a belated happy birthday to the Honorable Board of Nursing, Dr. Elsie T. Happy birthday, ma'am.